Well, folks, here we have it. This is the WhipMag II, as designed and assembled and manufactured by the incredible and one and only MadProf. Boy, I can't overstate how remarkable this whole device, how solid it is, how easy it was to put together. The components are just extremely high quality and very authentic to Al's original, in my humble opinion. Absolutely incredible design. Let me start though by looking at what MadProf had observed with the interaction of the stators. We put some dowels here just to extend sort of the observation points. Let's do that. If I rotate the AGW stator, you can see there's an oscillation here in S2 very clearly. I should say that the bearings that I'm using right now are as received, that is with grease, and they don't have much of a rundown. They're pretty sluggish in my opinion compared to other bearings that I've worked with that don't have the grease. So with the grease we do see some interaction with S2. It's not so observable with S1, however. The next test that I'm going to do is with another set of stators that have grease removed from the bearings. So MadProf sent at least three sets of stators, so I can set up another set without the grease and give that a try. Let's zoom in on this point here though. But again, this is just an absolutely incredible device. Just kudos on the spindle. It's just so much like Al's JBC original. It's just absolutely amazing. And the setup tool for the spindle as well is extraordinary, exceptional, as is the setup tool for these bearings. You have to see this thing in person to actually appreciate it, really. It's a truly beautiful thing. But let's look at this point here. Okay, so here's a close-up of the dowel rod that I've placed on top of S2. I'm moving the AGW stator now, rotating it, a couple revolutions anyway, and you can see the oscillation. It begs the question, if there were a lot of grease in this bearing, if that oscillation, if the interaction would even be observable. And so I'm going to remove the grease in 3 more bearings, and we'll see if it's see if it's any different. Okay, let's spin it up here. This is with the bearings as is, with grease. There we have AGW. There we have AGW again. There we have AGW. It looks like it needs to be a little lower in RPM with greased bearings. I just can't get these bearings fast enough, I guess, with the grease in them. Stators, that is. There we go, there's AGW again. So let me go ahead and remove grease from another set of bearings, and we'll give this another try.